For those of you who do not know, RTX Voice is a fantastic piece of software that allows you to remove the background noise of your microphone. Now, even though the title includes the letters RTX, you're still able to use the effects on a GTX GPU with no hassle whatsoever. Start off by heading down to the description and clicking the first link, or by searching RTX Voice, scrolling down until you see the setup guide, and clicking RTX Voice from step 1B. From there, install the software how you would any other, and open the application. Unlike the broadcasting application that I showed off in a previous video for RTX GPUs that has numerous features for audio and video, this software only allows the use of the background removal that NVIDIA has become famous for. Go ahead and select your input and output devices, enable remove background noise from a microphone, and mess around with the noise suppression slider until you're satisfied. After you're finished adjusting your settings, you can now go into whatever voice chatting application and change the audio settings. Both the microphone and speaker devices will have the name NVIDIA RTX. Thank you for watching. Leave a like if I was of any help, and don't feel afraid to ask any questions or leave suggestions for the next video. Thank you once again, and please take care.